Hi, I'm here to demonstrate the 100% biodegradable Christmas tree skirt and removal bag. It is designed to cover a 7-foot tree. However, it depends on your stand whether it's going to reach the top of the tree, so you may need twine to tie so that you can carry the tree out. And it also is designed to make a beautiful skirt, kind of looks like snow, or you can put a tree skirt of your choice. Okay, so you come over and you just pull it out and bring it up around the tree. And this is a taller tree, so it will not be reaching. So we will have to use the twine. So get it up as high as you can go. And then you're going to take the twine. And come around and tie. Get it as snug as you can. And there you go, it's ready to remove.